So guys, Bitcoin is broken above 66,000. Right now, altcoins are starting to rip, mainly AI and meme coins, which I made 2 videos over the AI coins you should be invested in and the meme coins that just dropped today. But overall, I want to talk about the current price action around Bitcoin, what this currently means, are we on the verge of crazy gains for altcoins, and exactly what is going to be happening in the next few weeks. But if you guys are new to my channel, go ahead and check out the rest of my content. I'm just an intermediate trader documenting my journey, showing you guys my wins, my losses, and keeping you guys updated on the market so you guys can capitalize on these events. I also just got premium Twitter, so go follow me on there. I'm going to start sharing my thoughts, quick tidbits, so that you can get information much quicker and faster. Overall though, let's jump into it. So guys, as I said, Bitcoin broke above 66,000. As you can see, it actually is breaking down a little bit right now. It's currently at 65,973. If we look at the RSI, guys, we are in the overbought region above 70. We're at 74 right now, 0.5, which is really great. Overall, I want to talk about exactly the longs and the specific situations that happened that, caused all this price action, as well as what could be happening. But currently right now, based off of this move, we are on the verge of crazy gains. And based off of where we're at in this cycle, we could be potentially already shooting up, have that next leg up to around 70,000 for Bitcoin, and then potentially seeing new all-time highs. If we look at the dominance around Bitcoin as well, guys, we have been breaking down quite nicely, setting up with lower highs and lower lows as well. Currently right now, I think we're going to be seeing this keep breaking down as well as the USDT dominance that is currently breaking down also, which is signifying that altcoins are on the verge of taking over. So currently Bitcoin is trading around that 66,000 region. We don't want to be deviating lower than around that 64, 62, honestly 62,000. Everyone wants to stay above 64, but the 62,000 region is really going to let us know if we're going to start deviating to the lower point. But if we jump into a post from Justin Bennett talking about exactly what was going on earlier today, and exactly with Bitcoin breaking out. So he says, "Good morning, legends," because this was in the morning. Bitcoin is breaking out. However, sellers will likely defend mid to 64K, and that Sunday low looks ripe for a sweep before higher. So as you guys can see, pretty much based with the wedge going downwards, we are potentially gonna potentially see that squeeze out, and we saw that a little bit. And currently right now, he's saying the 70K short liquidations are the next target as long as Bitcoin can hold above mid 62,000 this week. Let's see. So guys, this is the beginning of the week. Hopefully Bitcoin can stay above that 62,000 region. If not, we could be deviating to that lower point. Currently right now, there's multiple different shorts on liquidations, and on top of that, there's longs that are currently taking place. I also want to jump into that currently with that price action and why we could be seeing a little bit of a breakdown. So he currently is talking about how there are high leverage Bitcoin longs that chased an early Monday pump. So when Monday began, we had some high leverage Bitcoin longs. He says first dump, then pump. So overall, we could be seeing that dump before that huge pump, and that's what's really going to be, a determining factor. On top of that, currently right now with Bitcoin, we are trading really positively. We just need to hold this region for the weekly, hopefully above 62,000 to stay positive in this bull run, and then from there we could be shooting up to that 70,000 region. But currently, guys, that is where we're trading with Bitcoin. Now, with all this talk about Bitcoin, also with the breakdown of Bitcoin dominance, what does this mean for altcoins? So a great post from Mustache. He talks about how altcoins right now, he thinks the moment many of us are waiting for is just around the corner. USDT dominance looks super bearish and is at the end of an ascending broadening wedge pattern. USDT down equals crypto up. Smells like the start of an alt season is close. So guys, we're having the USDT dominance breakdown, we're having Bitcoin breakdown as well, and these are the indicators showing us that we're on the verge of alt season. I'm so pumped just because the past few weeks we've been documenting where we're at with this sideways consolidation, the breakouts that we've been seeing, and now we're finally at the final stages of this huge rip up. Now, another great post from Mustache, just based off of his perspective, and we've been following I've been following some great charts from Mustache. I think you should go follow him. He really gives a great perspective around altcoins, just because he's been here for a few cycles. But he gives a great post just talking about his sentiment. He says, altcoins, I think something really big is about to happen for the crypto sector. It's all written in the charts. We've already nailed the bottom in 2022. Next goal is to predict the peak as well as possible. So overall, guys, everyone is talking about how we're on the verge of crazy crazy gains for altcoins just because we're seeing the price action around Bitcoin shoot up at dominance around USDT, and Bitcoin is also starting to break down, which is our strong indicators just showing us that that shift is moving from the liquidity from Bitcoin all the way to altcoins. And now, guys, I want to talk about exactly what coins should you be investing in right now. Someone like me trying to make as much gains, intermediate trader, I'm investing in altcoins. Most of us are investing in altcoins, but what altcoins are performing the best right now? Well, I've been preaching it on this YouTube channel, AI and meme coins. We've been shifting out of utility and gaming coins at the beginning of the year and started getting into memes around March, as well as AI coins. That's whenever we started to see peaks in March as well as in June, which I made a post about earlier on X. You guys should go check it out. Like I said, I just got verified on X, doing all that different stuff, but I'm gonna start sharing my perspective. But I talked about those rotations that we saw with these coins, and currently I'm seeing a great post with Miles Dutcher. He says meme coins are now leading the crypto for mindshare in the 24-hour chart. Now, not for the weekly. I think AI is still beating in terms of mindshare, but overall, meme coins are now leading crypto for mindshare on the 24-hour chart, followed by AI GameFi, which is a new entry based off of this new game that is starting to take off, which is having Web3 adoption and a lot of different things take off because huge streamers are playing Web3 games, and this is gonna be, the start of something crazy. In Becker's new video, he actually talked about how this is going to be the start of how Web3 gaming is going to pump up the markets, especially when huge corporations are going to start getting into it, and companies that need to be utilized in order to maximize on exactly the efficiency of Web3, cross-platform stuff, everything like that. That's why I'm investing in Condex, a few other coins, yada yada yada. But overall, guys, right now, memes, AI, and GameFi, you should be looking at these three just because right now with the sentiment currently basing in the market, these coins are the ones that are taking off. Like if we go look at the current charts right now, on CoinGecko with the altcoins that I'm currently invested in, and memes and AI mainly. But overall, if you see the green in the market, guys, it's mainly around the AI and almost all my stuff is AI and meme coins. So you can see all the green that's currently taking place in the market, and the strongest performers, as you can see for the 7-day, one of the biggest ones is Brett, which is the leading meme coin on the base chain. I talked about it in my meme coin video, so if you didn't watch that video, go watch that video. But overall, right now, the leading coins, guys, are going to be AI coins. You see Destra up 17%, Hash only 5%, Condex 10% for the week, which is dope. That's the one I'm hedging on really hard. And then Pepe up 10%. So strong meme coins, guys, and strong AI coins and gaming as well. Condex is around GameFi, Web3, and stuff like that, and AI. Overall, guys, you want to look at strong projects and start rotating into these. And honestly, I hope that you're already exposed to these. I don't want you to rotate utility coins out into these risky assets, but if you're looking to allocate into coins that are potentially going to be shooting up really high, you should be looking at the AI sector and the meme sectors. You can see we have green in the markets right now, and if you're looking at the right projects, you are already sitting quite nice. But overall, guys, that's currently what's going on in the crypto markets right now. Just a quick synopsis, running through it real quick again. Bitcoin is currently trading around 65,000. Get out of here, you freaking ad. It's currently trading around 65,000, 66,000. We could be deviating, a little bit lower. We don't want to fall below that 62,000 region for the weekly, as Justin Bennett said. Overall, though, Bitcoin dominance is, breaking down, as well as USDT. In terms of price action, like how he said, 70K short liquidations are next target as long as Bitcoin can hold above 62K this week. So you need to keep up with the price action around Bitcoin. Make sure that we don't break down below that region, because if we do, altcoins are going to feel the pain. On top of that, oh my gosh, we didn't even talk about where we're at in this crypto cycle. Oh gosh, I'm sorry if you guys already clicked off the video, but overall, I'm gonna jump into where we're at in this crypto cycle. I'm so pumped. But overall, CryptoCon talked about a great chart, talking about the consecutive candles, and it's an indicator showing exactly where we're at in the cycle tops with Bitcoin. Currently, Bitcoin sees 9 flashes in a cycle. First is the mid-cycle high, second is the second mid-cycle high, third is the first cycle top, fourth is the cycle top. He goes on to say the cycle top signal has been incredibly accurate. 2 9 flashes down, 2 more to go. So currently, if we look at the charts, guys, from previous price action, you could see off of those, first, second points, when we start to see the first mid-cycle high, the second mid-cycle high, and next the first cycle top, and then the cycle top. So currently, we're on the verge of seeing those points. We're so close to the US election. We have multiple catalyst events coming out with the FTX payouts that are coming out. On top of that, we have multiple other things like the Fed cuts, stimulation from China's economy, and multiple other different things. So overall, guys, where we're at in this crypto cycle, where altcoins as well, pretty much with USDT breaking down and currently seeing the verge of this whole altcoin season with this wedge pattern that we've been currently following, we're on the verge of that liquidity shifting from Bitcoin and those top tier coins into altcoins. On top of that, guys, in terms of the altcoins you should really be focused on, you should really be looking at specific meme coins and AI coins. On top of that, I don't think you should be shifting out of utility into these coins, but if you wanted to jump into the top performing sectors and also try to make as much in this crypto cycle, you should be looking at these sectors for the most gains. On top of that, guys, I just got verified on Twitter. I did have to change my profile, so I'm under review again. But overall, go follow me on there. I'm going to be sharing my perspective on the space in quick tidbits. On top of that, still sharing my content on the daily. But overall, guys, I do appreciate you guys checking out my video today. Overall, that's currently where we're at in the crypto markets. If you guys are new to my channel, go ahead and check out the rest of my content. I'm an intermediate trader documenting my journey, showing you guys my wins and my losses, and keeping you guys updated on the markets so you guys can capitalize on these investments. At the end of the day, currently right now, Bitcoin is trading at that high region, 65 to 66,000. We need to close out on the weekly above 62,000. USDT is breaking down, as well as Bitcoin dominance. We are seeing specific regions showing us that altcoins are on the verge of going crazy and alt season is going to begin. And at the end of the day, you just need to stay committed and keep up with this price action. Overall, guys, I appreciate all the support you guys have shown me on this YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, drop me a like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think of my channel and everything else in between, as well as where we're at in this crypto cycle. But other than that, I'm gonna keep dropping daily content every single day, so stay tuned for my videos. Hopefully, I see you guys tomorrow. Peace.